Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautethical. My name is Archana, and if you're new to my channel, please take a second to subscribe, and also if you haven't subscribed already, please take a moment to subscribe, and then let's get right into the video. So today's video is about doing the eye look with lip products only. So I have completed my face makeup, I have done my eyebrows, I have done my lips. So the only thing that's now remaining is eyes. So today I'm going to use only lip products to do my eye look. Let's see how that goes, because I'm also trying this for the very first time on camera. So the first product that I'm going to use is this PAC Lip Pot. This is in the shade Pink. So I am going to try and use this for the transition color. So I will have to use my brushes carefully. I'll need to wash them really well, because you know how difficult it is to wash the brushes, especially if you're going to use lip products on top of that. So this lip pot from PAC is in the shade Smudge, and it's a beautiful light pink kind of a shade. And these products that I'm going to use today are going to be long-lasting products, like matte lipsticks and products that they are not too creamy, because then otherwise the eye look is going to be not cute after some time. It'll form creases and everything. So I'm going to try and only use products that are going to be long lasting. I'm going to have a really tough time removing these, because I hope by using oil I'm able to take all this off. So that's not bad. I think I should also make a video while removing this eye look. That is going to be interesting, I guess. So I'm going in with very little product initially, because since I'm using this as a transition shade, I don't want it to be too dark. I just wanted to give a good smooth transition from the shade that I'm going to put into the crease. That was okay, that went on pretty decent. I was going to use this as the transition shade from PAC Cosmetics, because this shade would have been like a perfect shade for me, but this is not a long lasting product. This will definitely crease, and I don't know what will happen. It might just lump up. So the next product that I'm going to use is this Sugar Sweet Secret Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade Muslin Mauve. I was thinking of putting this in the outermost corner and slightly into the crease. I hope this is dark enough to be able to do that. I'm going to use the same brush. The brush that I'm using is a cream blending brush. So let's try this. It's not very dark, but I think we can definitely build this up if we want to. But this is actually going in pretty well. I just wanted to do this, so I thought, like, you know, let me just straight away do it in front of the camera, so that it's fun, right? I mean, that's not bad at all. So I have another like very dark brown kind of a shade that I have kept for doing the liner, because I don't have a black lip shade yet. I'm actually liking this. I don't know what will happen once this dries off, but right now I'm definitely liking the look and feel of it. Since these are matte products, I don't know what will happen. Will I be able to blend them once they are dry? And on the eyelid, I am going to use this beautiful pink shade from NYX. It is in the shade Merlot. This is their matte lipstick. So I'm just going to scoop off a little bit. I don't want to directly put my brush onto this. So I have just scooped out a little bit of product on to the back of my hand. And I'm just going to take a flat concealer brush, and because my eyeshadow brushes I don't want to use. So, wow, I'm actually liking this. I like how the look is turning out to be quite glossy. Right now I'm liking this look, but after some time we'll have to see what happens to the eyes, whether it creases or it doesn't. If it stays like this, this is going to be one hell of an eye look. I have never tried lip products on eyes before. Wow. I am really into this look. And then for eyeliner, I'm going to use this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick. This is in the shade Retro. And I'm just going to take it out on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to take an angular eyeliner brush. Just going to dip it in. I'm into this look. I didn't expect it to be good, but I'm really liking it. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use this Diamond Sparkle Lip Gloss from NYX. It's in the shade Rust Sparkle, and I'm going to take a very tiny amount just for that shine on the brow bone, because this area is not going to crease, but I still want that shine on my brow bone. So there. I would have preferred taking this on my eyelid, but that's not really possible because the eyelid area can crease up after some time, and I want to keep this look for some time. So I really wanted to do a wearable kind of a look, and this shirt is wearable. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the concealer brush that I had taken for the lid, and I'm just going to apply. That's till 1/4, and for the rest of the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the darker shade that we had applied as the eyeliner from NYX, and I'm just going to go and I'm just very stingy with my brushes today because I don't want to wash these. Like, I don't want to spend hours and hours just to wash off liquid products from here. I actually like the lower lash line as well. This would have been a very good outer corner color. I'll just darken it up a little bit. Coming to mascara, I am just going to use a spare mascara wand, and I am going to use the same NYX Liquid Suede color because this is the darkest shade that I have, and I'm going to try and use that as mascara. Let's see how that works. Fingers crossed. I should have had a black lipstick for this, right? I mean, it's not that bad, but would definitely help if I had a black lipstick. That is not bad. I just need to change my lip color because this matching is not going well. So I have changed my lip color and now it looks much better because it's not, the matching thing is not happening anymore. But this was a fun video and I really ended up liking the eye look which I have like created with lip products. This glossy kind of an eye look is something that I am really loving. This was just a fun video, but you can definitely try an eye look with lip products, especially on the lid. If you want something glossy, you can use your eyeshadows on the crease, the outer corner, but on the eyelid you can try going in with a lip color, especially if you want something nude or some light shade which you have in your lipstick collection but not in your eyeshadow collection. So that's it for today's video. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and let me know that you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified for all my future videos. Thank you so much for being here and watching this entire video. I will see you again very soon in another cruelty free video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.